websites
Hold on.
or nonprofits.
Hold on, I'm doing a stream. Okay, so let me wait a little bit. Okay, I'm just gonna start at 20 seconds. So, hey everybody, I woke up today, looked at the stock market. It is not looking good. It is basically down today, but I'm not too worried about it. I told you guys that I really believe that it's going to recover. It's like I've seen the stock market go up. I've seen it go down. I've seen it go down because of US China relations. I've seen it go down because of, the shutdown stuff. I'm just like, here we go again. But the good thing is JD is sitting at 103, so I'm very happy about that. So, I sold Blackberry, as you guys know, back when it was like 11.51, and then it rose up to $13, and then I thought, oh man, maybe I should have held. But what I did with Blackberry is I used that money and then I invested it into stocks like CCIV, and CCIV has gone up 200% since I bought it. I think today it went up 5 or 8%, I can't remember. But so that stock is doing good. And then I see this news coming out today about Blackberry, and I think, oh crap, man, this looks really good. So Blackberry announces enhancements of Blackberry radar to help transportation businesses improve asset utilization and visibility. So it says that they've been, they're working on stuff, and it seems like a good thing, right? A lot of people, you guys know Blackberry was part of the meme stock. I bought Blackberry back in 2018. I held on to it this year, and then when it started spiking up, I thought like, oh crap, okay, well maybe this is Blackberry's time to shine. And then when Blackberry went up to $26 and then it retracted all the way back down, I thought, frick, well, I don't want it possibly going back down to like 7 or so, because I don't know how long this meme stock push would last, right? So I decided to sell at 11.51. It was a lot of freaking stress for $100 something profit. That's it, because I only invested about $1,000. But it is what it is. So when I saw this, I really thought, oh man, this sounds great. This maybe will jump the stock up 5%, a couple percent. It seems pretty damn good. And then I look at Blackberry stock today. I don't know if you guys can see it, but Blackberry is at $11. Actually went down 2.83%. Yikes. Yikes. What happened to Blackberry? So there looks like there was a spike over here. See that little spike? So it went up a little. Oh wait, no, this is the old chart. This is the old chart. So yeah, this is I think the 3-month chart or so. So you can see it spiked over here. I bought in, my average was around here. I held, and then I diamond handed it, and then once it started going over here, I was like, okay, frick, I gotta sell right around here. And then it went back up, right? And then now it's down here. And my worry about Blackberry is people are gonna hear about the news like this. It goes down 2.83%, and then more people might sell, and then it might actually fall back to the levels over here. So I don't feel comfortable holding Blackberry as a long. Simply, it's not because I don't have faith in the company. I do have faith in the company, but I think my money is better spent elsewhere into other stocks, and yeah, inevitably I think it's gonna just shake more people out. But I could be wrong. This is not stock advice. This is just me talking about it. Really sucks. I don't know what would get Blackberry to move. I really, truly, I don't know what could cause Blackberry to spike up, because even if they're saying they're making improvements, or they're doing enhancements of the Blackberry radar, yeah, people are like, we don't really care. We don't really care. So yeah, I shall talk to you guys later. This is a really short video, I know, but I had a lot of hope for Blackberry today when I came across that article, and just seeing it go down too. Oh, just crushing. Yeah. So let's look at that other stock. Let's look at CCIV right now. CCIV kind of scares me. You can see it went up 8.13%. So in the last month, You can see it's gone up, up, and more up. So it just seems like it's getting more it's just increasing more, and this surprised me because I thought before the merger it would maybe hover around 30, 40, and then seeing that the merger um hasn't been confirmed, there has been no definitive agreement. It's it kind of scares me that it jumps all the way up here. But who knows? If they announce something, I expect it to go up to $75 or $80 at this point. However, will there be people cashing out? I'm pretty sure there is, and yeah, I don't know what's gonna happen to CCIV. I was thinking about adding more money into CCIV because I am at an average of like $30. I think, yeah, my Robinhood account is 1948 or something like that. My TD Ameritrade account I think is at like 29 bucks. But so if I average up, right, let's just round it to 30. 30, and then in between 30 and 60 is 45. So that's what my average would be. But I don't know. $60 is kind of scary to me. Just because, yeah, if there was a merger, like if it was $40 and then the merger confirmed and then it shot up to $60, I'd say, okay, I can expect that. But seeing it just kind of go wild like that, I kind of feel like we're getting into too much hype territory. So it just scares me just a little bit, cause yeah. And but if they come out with if they come out with a confirmation, who knows? Maybe it'll shock me and it'll go up to 100. So I don't know. I don't know. Scary stuff, risky stuff. So yeah, I'm planning to hold CCIV, both of them. I wish I had put more, but of course hindsight is always 2020, right? You put money into something you're not too sure. Are they going to confirm it? Is it going to crash down? Is it not going to? Is it going to shoot up? And if the merger was not confirmed, or if they said like, oh no, it's far, far away, I know the stock would have crashed 30% or 50%. Or if they said, yeah, we're not doing anything with Lucid at all, holy crap, that it would have got, yeah, it would have gone probably back up down to like 12 bucks or so, and then people would have been pissed off. But I do think, and I've said this before, I've said this in my previous streams, that I don't think CCIV and Lucid can call this deal off. And the reason being is Lucid, right? If they plan to go with if they screw over all the people who are pumping up CCIV and all, like, oh, okay, yeah, well, I'm gonna buy Lucid. I'm excited about Lucid. If this deal falls through, a lot of people are gonna say, screw Lucid, screw CCIV. We thought we were gonna make money, but instead we just lost our money, and I will never ever buy a Lucid car again. And
Lucid investors and Lucid car owners are totally separate groups of people.
yeah, but you don't want the bad PR. You don't want the bad PR, because you have to admit a lot of people pumping up Lucid were actually who were CCIV shareholders. You see it all over the place.
But by the time that they're actually able to start producing cars at a reasonable rate 5 years from now, it's not going to be a worry.
I don't know, but yeah, and yeah, I'm sure Michael Klein would have not wanted that bad publicity on CCIV. So yeah, look at that. It's, yeah, 61.19. I saw it earlier. I thought CCIV was gonna go down. If it did go back down, I would have bought, but it didn't. It's just been shooting upwards and upwards and upwards. And so stock market is not good today. But look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin is going up. I do know that Riot and Mara took a tumble. I think Riot went down like 22%. Mara went down 10%. So I might sell out of Riot soon. I mean, not Riot, Mara soon, because right now I'm sitting about, I think, 58% profit margin. Oh, look, Riot actually recovered. Yeah, it used to be at 25%. Now it's at that. So let's see, Mara. How's Mara doing? Well, Mara hasn't recovered much. Yeah. So, yeah. See how quickly it went up? See, 27, 28, the first, the second. I bought in right. No, this is wrong. I bought in earlier, I think. I think I bought in around here. And then it went down. Yeah, it went down 40%. And then I just held. And then it just, from my $27, it just starts to go upwards. And you can see that even though it's going up, right, there's a little bit of pullback. But then every time it goes down, it doesn't go as down as it did initially. See? So this was the first, right? And then it went up. And then, went up. Yeah, it went up, and then it went a little down, and it went up, and then it went a little down, but it didn't meet this level. And then it's just like it's going up, down, but clearly going that way. So will Mara go up to $50? Very, very possible. But it could also start going down. Hard to say. Chart looks like it's going up. But it's kind of worrisome to me about why Mara went down 9% today and why Riot went down 9% at 1.25% today. I was looking for it. Nobody knew why. Nobody knew why at all. What do I think about Facebook blocking news in Australia? I sold Facebook out last month because I was getting a little worried about what was going on with that. I don't like holding a lot of stocks with too many bad news, and I think that I don't know too much about the Facebook blocking news in Australia. Like I saw the tagline of it, but I didn't read it completely out of the way. But I thought to myself, man, if Facebook gets a lot of crap about that, maybe Facebook stock tumbled today. I didn't check. It's not going to be a surprise, and people don't like the idea, in my opinion, of a company that may have sold users' data to like Cambridge Analytics or blocking news as well. So it was just too much negative stuff. I was like, frick, I don't want to deal with Facebook. Another stock that went down today that I was genuinely surprised went down was Walmart. So I think Walmart went down 6% today, and I don't know exactly why it went down. Oh yeah, see, look at this. So it was up and then it went down, right? First, and then it went up, and then it went down, and then went up, and then went boom today. So we are back at February 2nd. It looks like a terrible stock, but when you look at like if you look at like year to date, yeah, this isn't looking too good. I don't know why it's going down too much. There is speculation. Let's look at the 5-year. Oh, this stupid chart. It's not working for me. Yeah, it literally looked like it went off a cliff. This chart is so skewed. Hold on, let me check something. So yeah, if you look at the 6 months over here, you can see it's not a real big grower. It's pretty sideways. The 1 year looks much better. The 5-year looks much better. So I think Walmart's a pretty good stock. I don't have any problems with it. But from what I was reading today, some people, they say that the reason why Walmart's stock went down is because Walmart says they're going to be paying their employees a little bit more. I think they're going to start giving them $15 an hour. And yeah, it seems like a good idea, right? But maybe, I don't know, maybe that's the reason why it went down. I've also heard about that they say that they like either their sales or they're going to invest more money or something like that. But basically the numbers aren't going to be looking too good. But I thought, man, 6% drop, that's kind of freaking harsh. Gosh, like that's yeah. So who knows? It's all about sentiment. So when I was reading online, some people said like, man, this is a great deal. I'm going to buy more Walmart and I'm going to like load it up. And again, Walmart's a pretty safe stock. I invested into Walmart because I thought to myself, well, if stuff hits the fan, people are going to want to shop more in Walmart, and Walmart are, low cost stores. They kind of have everything in one roof. So Yeah, I didn't think Walmart was going to suffer during a recession or anything like that. But, and I still don't believe that. I think this is really just kind of like an overreaction. Now, I could be completely wrong, but, and I might be a little horse blinderish because there are other places that people can shop besides Walmart. I do know more people are shopping at like Dollar Tree, Family Dollar, um, other, you know, other really cheap places. And, yeah. Australia wants companies to pay for snippets on their platform. Oh, geez, that sucks.